Okay, what if I told you you could have a mountain of cash by the end of the year just by making a few small changes in your daily life? Intrigued? Stick around, because today we're talking about the art of saving money. Your bank account will thank you later. Let's get started. Hey Striverz, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your host, Steven, and this is Striverz Money, where we teach you how to build wealth and master your finances. If you're looking to level up your financial game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our life-changing content. Now, let's dive into the world of saving. Number 1. The importance of saving money. Before we jump into the juicy tips, let's talk about why saving money is so important. Sure, it's great to have a stash of cash for emergencies, but there's more to it than that. Financial freedom. By saving money, you're building a strong financial foundation that'll give you more freedom and flexibility in the future. Want to take a spontaneous vacation or start a business? With a healthy savings account, the world is your oyster. Retirement. Unless you plan on working until your last breath, you'll need a nest egg to retire comfortably. The more you save now, the better off you'll be later in life. Debt reduction. Saving money means you'll be less likely to rely on loans or credit cards, which can lead to a vicious cycle of debt. In fact, paying off high-interest debt is one of the best ways to save money in the long run. Number 2. Track your spending. Alright, let's dive into the tips. First up, you need to know where your money is going. It's time to track your spending. There are plenty of budgeting apps out there, like Mint or You Need a Budget, that can help you monitor your spending habits. Trust me, it's an eye-opening experience. By tracking your expenses, you'll be able to identify where you can cut back and save more. Maybe you're spending a fortune on takeout or have a shopping addiction. Whatever it is, knowledge is power. Number 3. Cut expenses. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to make some changes. Let's look at ways to cut expenses without sacrificing too much of the good life. Cook at home. Eating out or ordering takeout can really add up. Save money by cooking at home and meal prepping for the week. Plus, it's healthier. Ditch cable. With so many streaming services available, do you really need that expensive cable package? Cut the cord and save yourself some serious cash. Shop smarter. When you do need to buy something, look for sales, use coupons, or shop at discount stores. And remember, just because something is on sale doesn't mean you need to buy it. Save on utilities. Turn off lights when you're not using them, unplug electronics, and consider investing in energy-efficient appliances. These small changes can lead to big savings on your utility bills. Number 4. Increase your income. While cutting expenses is important, increasing your income is another effective way to save money. Here are a few ideas. Side hustle. If you have a talent or skill, consider monetizing it in your free time. From freelance writing to photography, there are countless side hustles you can explore. Negotiate your salary. Don't be afraid to ask for a raise or negotiate a better salary when starting a new job. The worst they can say is no, and you might be surprised at what you can achieve. Invest. Put your money to work for you by investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. Just be sure to do your research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Our final tip is to automate your savings. This is the easiest way to save money without even thinking about it. Set up automatic transfers from your banking account to your savings account each month. Treat it like any other bill and make saving a priority. Consider using apps like Acorns, which round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. It's a simple way to save and invest at the same time. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to saving money and building a brighter financial future. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. So, what are you waiting for? Start saving today. Now it's time to take action, and check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.